तो आप लोग कितना क्वेश्चन सही करेंगे कमेंट करके जरूर बताना। तो चलिए जल्दी से देखते हैं टॉप 15 एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज ऑन रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। What is the primary cause of infertility in women? Answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is a method of birth control that also protects against STDs? Answer is A, condom. What is the name of the vaccine that protects against cervical cancer? Answer is A, HPV vaccine. Which of the following is a symptom of HIV and AIDS? Answer is A, all of the above. What is the name of the disease caused by the human papillomavirus? Answer is C, both A and B. Which of the following method of birth control is permanent? Answer is C, both A and B. What is the name of the hormone that regulates the menstrual cycle? Answer is D, LH. Which of the following is a benefit of breastfeeding? Answer is C, both A and B. What is the name of the disease caused by bacterium Chlamydia tracheomatis? Answer is A, chlamydia. Which of the following is a method of birth control that is effective immediately? Answer is C, condom. What is the name of the program launched by the Indian government to promote reproductive health? Answer is A, National Reproductive and Child Health Program. Which of the following is a symptom of STDs? Answer is C, both A and B. What is the name of the device that is inserted into the uterus to prevent pregnancy? Answer is A, IUD. Which of the following is a benefit of using? Answer is C, both A and B. What is the name of the hormone that regulates the growth and development of the embryo? Answer is D, HCG. तो आपने कितना क्वेश्चन सही किया कमेंट करके जरूर बताना और ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।